Okay mga kaibigan, again this is a rebroadcast ng laban ng Raging WePlay and TNC.com. TNC, this is game number 2. TNC taking game number 1 ng best of 3 series natin mga kaibigan. So this is now game number 2. Tignan natin makakabawi ang Raging WePlay. Napilay ang WePlay kaya WePlay. Oh no, si Fly Solo. Sila naman ang nag-bounty hunter dito pero maagang na-counter dito mga kaibigan. Oy, pero ang ganda naman ng kill coming in from King. At ito, laban of the Battle of the Bounty Rune. Ang grabe pala dito, oh. 5 on 4 sa Bounty Rune. Bawal ka magka-Bounty Rune, hindi deny ka namin. Panis. At dahil sa labanan ng Bounty Rune mga kaibigan, namatay si Alchemist, the Bountylicious Alchemist going down dito sa first blood natin. Tingnan natin kung ano mangyayari sa game number 2 natin. 1-0 ang score. Pabor sa TNC again. This is just a rebroadcast of our Class S Step Ladder. Hindi ko alam ang resulta ng mga laban na to. Kailangan natin i-cast para hindi na masabing nagkarlutong Macau dito. Para makita rin natin kung ano nangyari sa matchup nila. Again, yung mananalo rito, mga kalaban nila, walang iba kundi Execration ba? Execration sa ESGS na mga kaibigan. Ito, nahuli na naman si Fly Solo dito mga kaibigan. Ang Bounty Hunter ng WePlay. Sila naman na may bounty. Kanina si Nico yung bounty palag-palag eh. Ito, susubukan ng Nico dito mga snowball. Oh no, kung grabe naman yun. Meron mga siyang unstable concoction. And Nico AU with the rolling thunder gank taking down the Storm Spirit into this mid lane. Ang problema nila rito Darkseer now level 2. Ang support nila para sa Gyro is an Omni Knight which is not good in the in harassing itong Darkseer dahil alam naman natin melee lang siya. Tapos ang skill niya is heal. Hindi niya ma-harass dito si Darkseer. Samantala ito mga kaibigan nagkakahulian dito. Ito na si Nico AU. Bumubulas technique na dito. Samantala, solo bot rider dito sa top lane. Ay, solo? Namatay yung Spectre. So, Spectre up against a bot rider ni Chicken Song. Nico X-Lucky on the bench full spirit dito. Alke will get that hindi niya nakuha ang bounty rune. Actually, it is the Ember Spirit getting that bounty rune. So, maganda ang gameplay dito ng WePlay. Denying yung bounty rune para dito sa Alke ng TNC. Network natin Storm Spirit leading the game. 1,800 para sa kanya rito. Samantala Nico AU may diskarte rito gamit ang ang Ion Shield. Laking tulong mo para sa Guba technique nila. Magaling ka lumasin para rock na ito. Samantala Bounty Hunter, meron siyang sentry dito, meron siyang Orb of Venom. They will look for a kill dito mga kaibigan. Samantala ito, hindi na normal siya dito. Darkseer is now sitting at level 3. Alchemist natin, level 4 up against a level 4 Storm Spirit. And Alchemist, di pa rin talaga siya nakakakuha ng bounty rune dito. He is just 1,400 in terms of net worth 3 minutes into the game. At ito, uy, overextension para dito sa side ng Raging WePlay. They are farming dito sa likod ng tier 1 tower sa bottom lane, but here comes the Vengeful Spirit mga kaibigan. Here comes the snowball. Gyro ang ganda rito. Uy, Ice Shard catching itong si Gyrocopter dito, and they might go for a kill dito. Tignan natin. And Gyrocopter going down despite having that Omni Knight as their support. Napakagandang Ice Shards coming in from Nico AU, trapping etong si Gyro doon. And tignan natin, mukhang ito na ang first bounty rune niya. Makukuha niya ba ang bounty rune? Yes, it will be a bounty rune up on your Alchemist. So gold coming in para sa inyong Alchemist dito. Alchemist is sitting at level 4. Storm is now at level 5. So level gap siya rito mga kaibigan. Pero Okay lang, Alchemist naman siya. Alam naman natin ang farming capability ng Alchemist. Napakataas, Kuya Eddie. At ito, hinaharas siya dito ng Storm Spirit. Pero once na mag level 6 ang Alge dito, with that additional HP and HP regen, mahihirapan na silang patayin yung Alge dito. Bang! Pinastad sa mukha. Ako, hindi ka pa level 6. Kawawa, kalungkutan. Boom! Tinamaan ng concoction sa mukha. Lumalaban si Fly Solo dito. Lumalaban sa hindi niya kayang talunin na kalaban. And etong si Storm Spirit with that overextension, medyo maasim, wala naman siyang level 6, pala siyang escape mechanism, nag-overextend doon, nakala niya, nagpapaharas lang talaga tong si Alchemist, pero hindi, Vengeful Spirit was there, and they will manage to take down the Storm Spirit dito sa laban natin na to, and just like that, Alchemist now is your leading hero in terms of net worth dito. Oh no, nagdi-dewards. May nagdi-dewards na creeps dito. Mahusay na trabaho. You will be promoted into a general creeps. Oh, sir, gagawa ko naman yung trabaho. Bakit nyo tinitira? Wag, sir. Wag, sir. Wag nyo tirahin, sir. Nag-deny na nga ng wards eh. Tinira nyo pa. Napakalungkot ng buhay. Pero ito. Ito na. Magsisimula na mag-stack siguro sa X-Lucky dito. They're starting to ping pero hindi naman. Nope, Alge is low on HP. He's now at level 6. He will pop his ultimate and it will make him it will bring him back to full health again dito, mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin yung walang plano. They are now looking for a stack dito. Nahuli. Uy, hindi nila ginaw. Napakalungkot ng buhay, Kuya Eddie. Snowball, Bounty Rune. Here comes the Omni Knight. Here comes the stun. Delikado, mga kaibigan. And Nico, you going down. You're going down. The Tuskar going down. Spectre. Now with 200 gold lang, mga kaibigan. Napakalungkot ng buhay niya rito. 8-1 CS para sa Spectre. He is just level 5 dito up against a level 7 na Batrider. Napakalungkot ng buhay if you are this Spectre. I think the Spectre is just looking to get levels and help with the engagement nila, mga kaibigan. At ito, X-Lucky now on a killing spree. And this bounty hunter is not having a good game dito sa game 2 natin. Again, this is the Class S Step Ladder rebroadcast ng laban ng TNC versus Raging WePlay. Nako, level 6, delikado, Kuya Burrito. Bounty Hunter now starting to move towards the top lane, mga kaibigan. They will be looking for this skill on the Spectre. Spectre, napakahirap ng Spectre na to, mga kaibigan. 7 minutes into the game, we are looking at a 1,000 experience lead going in favor of the Radiant side. Gold lead natin, 1,500, pabor pa rin, mga kaibigan, dito sa Radiant side natin. Ito na si Spirit dito, mga kaibigan. He is now level 7. Meron siyang Dreadnought Talisman and Soul Ring dito. Samantala magsusmoke kaya itong dalawang to. Hindi, Vengeful Spirit getting the Tranquil Boots. Alchemist is with a Threads Bottle and Stout Shield dito. Here comes the hunt, mga kaibigan. They want to get this kill at makakapatay sila rito, pero makamamatay din dito si Fly Solo. X-Lucky nakikipaglaban dito sa Batrider. Meron siyang 3 charges of magic stick dito. Tatayo siya sa gitna sa walang apoy para walang bawas. Napakahusay ni X-Lucky. It will just end up as a 1-for-1 trade, but again, it is your Spectre going down, mga kaibigan. Heal Bomb will connect and Omni Knight will get that KS, that much needed KS. So 5-5 is the score dito sa laban natin na to. Alchemist getting a Bounty Rune. Spectre Dagger, tingnan natin. Pino ba sa mukha? Oh no, wala siyang matutukan, mga kaibigan. Hindi niya matutok, pero ipuputok niya doon sa kanya. Ipuputok niya saan? Saan niya ipuputok yan? Lumalaban sa cancer, mga kaibigan. Ako, nagkakamikroon dito. Tingnan natin. Nahabol, Alchemist trying to go for chase. Here comes the cooldown, mga kaibigan. Boom! Bumagsak ang cooldown. Ice Shards. Boom! Rolling Thunder! Wala kang buhay! Boom! Uppercut sa mukha! Hindi, wala pang uppercut. Buhay pa! Oh no, napakalungkot ng buhay pa. Hindi, Gyro going down. Omni Knight going down. Mega kill streak for X-Lucky and the Vengeful Spirit now on a mega kill streak dito. Nilason, mga kaibigan. 6-7 is the score. Paborang laban pa rin sa TNC, mga kaibigan. Gold exchange 800 going in favor of TNC. Pero Storm Spirit survives. Batrider continuing to farm freely, now up with 2,100 gold, and this is now a dagger completed on your Batrider 9 minutes into the game. Seer going for Guardian Grips dito. He is low on HP. Omni Knight is here. Heal bomb coming in from your Omni Knight. Spectre is now at level 6. Hunt will be available in just a few seconds. Actually, yan na. Available na yan. And tingnan natin kung mag-engage sila rito. Alke now up with the medallion. Medallones of Courage. Ito, naghanap sila. Bounty Hunter. Nandito mga kaibigan. Naka-inbi suro ng Bounty Hunter dito. Ay, naka-inbi. Oh, no. Tingnan natin. Alam niya kung nasan ang mga kalaban dito. Tingnan natin kung magkakabagwagan. Darkseer. Ayan. Trying to clear the way mga kaibigan. Tignan natin kung hahabulin nila. Oh no, nahabol nila ang Vengeful Spirit dito. Here comes the cooldown. Tinira ng cooldown. Tumayo na lang si Vengeful Spirit dito. And he won't be able to survive. Oh my god. X-Lucky going down, losing his mega kill streak onto the Omni Knight with the very good KS heal bomb combination. Here comes the Hunt. Ganap sila na mabibiktima rito mga kaibigan. Wala siya malipatan. And he will go down as well. That is 2 kills going in the side of Raging WePlay. Here comes Darkseer. He will be looking for the chase. Pero masyado mabilis ang Batrider dito. Especially with that Blink Dagger completed on him. 8-7 is the score. Fight recap. That is 347 gold exchange going in favor of Raging WePlay. Bounty Hunter now at level 6. At dito na magsisimulang maghirap ang laro para sa team ng TNC. Dahil Bounty Hunter giving you that much needed infos mga kaibigan. At ito, Omni Knight overextending pero realizing na he is in deep waters, he will go back dito sa laban natin. Ito na mga kaibigan, Batrider susubukang habulin dito si Darkseer. Makakatakbo ba siya rito? Makakatakbo nga siya, pero ito na si Batrider. Nilalaso na siya ng Batrider mga kaibigan, and this Batrider now on a dominating streak, 1-on-1 with a great one. Batrider with the dagger is too dangerous para dito sa TNC Proti, pero Gyrocopter going down. Hindi natin nakita sa kamay ng Alchemist and Vengeful Spirit.
Radiant's bottom tower is under attack.
And Batrider getting that bounty and double damage rune now up on your Alchemist. Tuskar farming the mid lane, level 7 na siya dito. Alam nila na nandun ang Bounty Hunter. Nakita nila gamit ang Observer Wards dito. And there's the TP coming on mga kaibigan. Here comes Vengeful Spirit with the Dust of Appearance. Dust na mga kaibigan, nahuli siya rito. Oh no, nahuli siya ng Dust of Appearance just in the edge of the here comes, oh hindi niya in-stun. Batrider going in. Delikado to mga kaibigan. There's the track Dota being popped. Tignan natin. Here comes the stun. Here comes Storm Spirit going in. Hunt going in. Here comes the heal, but it won't be enough to save that Batrider. Bounty Hunter will go down as well. It will end up as a 2-for-1 trade. Storm Spirit is low on HP. He is about to go down. He is being chased down here. Here comes the Eye Shards. Up and running. Eye Shards available kung Coke-Ship Shot. Hindi siya makatalon mga kaibigan. Gyrocopter. Oh no, nahatak pa baba. Napakalungkot na buhay. Snowball saving them. And it will end up as a 4-man kill. 4-for-1 trade. Eye Shards catching the Omni Knight dito. And here comes the Tuskar. And what a turnaround play coming in from TNC Pro Team. Clutch Snowball coming in from your Tuskar, saving yung mga kakampi niya doon. Yes, they lose the Vengeful Spirit, but they managed to take down 4 heroes on the side of Raging WePlay. Kung nagkataon na sa WePlay ang nagwag ito, napakalaking gold lead para sa kanila. Kaso, naubos sila doon mga kaibigan, at napakalungkot ng buhay nila rito. Solar Crest completed on your Alchemist, and now he is farming itong neutral, itong ancient stock niya dito sa side ng gubat nila. And this will be a massive amount of gold going in favor of your Alchemist. Bounty rune? No, it's just an illusion rune mga kaibigan. Bounty is still into the top lane. Wala pang kumukuha niyan. Darkseer, delikado siya rito. He is being chased out here, but the Tuskar is here. Vengeful Spirit is here as well. Storm Spirit now with the point booster. And Alchemist Illusion. Trabaho lang. Walang personalan. Snowball pumasok, and that Bounty Hunter going down. Spectre going down as well. 1-for-1 trade favoring TNC Pro Team. 4 stop completed on your Batrider, 11-13 ang score natin dito mga Jer. Alchemist, ano magiging excited niya? Meron siya 1,300 gold. Spectre now up with a face boost and Ring of Aquila, and I don't think we will see any Radiance dito sa laro natin from the Spectre dahil napakalungkot ng buhay niya. He is 2-4-4 dito sa laban natin. Pinahirapan siya ng Batrider na currently standing at 5-1-1 dito. Vengeful Spirit. Tingnan natin, abutan ba ng Vengeful Spirit dito? Who knows mga kaibigan? Walang vision si Fly Solo. Sa kabila naman, ito lang ang vision nila. Chill. Plano sila masama. Nakita nila yung Batrider dito mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung what's the plan side. Here comes the terror coming. Here comes the swap. The 4-stop. The dagger. Pero ito na. Wala ka ng 4-stop. Wala ka ng 4-stop mechanic mga kaibigan. And here comes, oh my god. Here comes the Bounty Hunter. Here comes the Hunt as well. Tingnan natin mga track dota mga kaibigan has been popped. And this Spectre will go down. Napakalungkot ng buhay. Low on HP siya rito. Mapapatipi siya mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung aabutan siya. And he will be able to TP into safety. And that is a win situation for Replay. Avoiding yung death sa kanilang Batrider and getting the kill again on that Spectre. Gyrocopter now up with a Morbid Mask. Face boots 1,300 gold on top of that. 16 minutes into the game. We are looking at a 1,000 plus gold advantage going in favor of WePlay. Experience is also in favor of Team Raging WePlay.
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Cloak, meron siyang Soul Ring, and meron siyang Mecha, and going for grips na siguro siya rito. Tala, ito si Batrider mga kaibigan. They want to go for the kill mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung papasukin nila to. Alchemist with an Invis rune. 1,900 gold up on your Alchemist. Here comes
Dire's middle tower is under attack.
Nagkakadepensa. One kill advantage. Here comes the back to smoke mga kaibigan. Tingnan natin kung anong plano. Umaabante rito. Here comes the Alchemist going in mga kaibigan. Here comes Storm Spirit going as well. There's the track. There's the wall. Alchemist will go down. However, at delikado sila rito. And here comes Vengeful Spirit. Snowball. Oh! Hindi aabot at napakalukot. Pero Walrus Punch on the Omni Knight dito. Nagkakahabulan portion mga kaibigan. They have the wall. Pero here comes Batrider. Here comes the Dash of Appearance. They are looking for a chase. Multiple track deployed. Storm Spirit going in dito. Tignan natin kung ano mangyayari dito. X-Lucky slow on HP. Here comes the Guardian Angel. Snowball. Lockdown. They will manage to take down 2. At ito nagkakahabulan. Oh no. Tuskar going down as well. And that is a 3-man wipe going in favor of Raging WePlay. And WePlay. Well played. And this Batrider mga kaibigan ang nagdadala sa Raging WePlay dito sa game number 2 of this best of 5 series natin. Again, this is just a rebroadcast nung naglaban itong dalawang team natin na to para makita naman tao kung sino naman ang nagwagi ang makakalaban ng execration sa day 1 ng ESGS. Of course, the winner will get a ticket against Gigabyte Mineski, which is one of the number 1 C teams as of now. Grabe, congratulations pala sa Mineski for qualifying sa dalawang major LAN event, Nanyang and the majors, of course. And TNC, medyo lumalawak yung balon dahil nga sa engagement kanina na kung saan na-track dota sila na problemado sila rito. Ito, na-uppercut sa mukha mga kaibigan. Oh no, heal bomb! And here comes the vacuum. Pero hindi nila mapipigilan ng Storm Spirit dito. They are being chased down. Vengeful to follow. Ito na Storm Spirit. He will go in. He will dive in towards this Spectre. Spectre is low on HP. 1 more hit. 2 more hit maybe. At ito na si Alchemist mga kaibigan. Susubukan niya pumasok. Boom. Pinaputukan niya sa mukha. Omni Knight is down. They went for an overextension and they will pay the price and they will go down. That is a killing spree on your Darkseers. Eh, grabe ka naman kasi, Storm. Diving licious ka dito. Nag-dive galore siya. Ayun. Patay siya. And Alchemist with a Sange. Mukhang digmaan ng habol ng Alchemist na ito, mga kaibigan. Siya rito. Delikado siya at ito na, denive na siya dito, mga kaibigan. 5, 4, 3, 2, naputokan niya sa mukha. Dalawa. Here comes the long jump and that is a Storm Spirit kill. Here comes another track kill, mga kaibigan, going in their favor. Vengeful Spirit, X-Lucky, slow HP. He is being chased down. Tignan natin kung tatalon sila dito. Hindi nila pupwersahin ng issue and they will pop the Guardian Greaves. Still, etong side ng TNC Pro Team, they will lose their Alchemist and Storm Spirit starting to get out of control, mga kaibigan. Now up with the Bloodstone and going for an Orchid of Malevolence on top of that repel. I don't think there is any way for TNC Pro Team to contest this. Ito na, kinaladkad ng mga kaibigan si Darkseer. There is a Track Dota, Heal Bomb Vacuum, mga kaibigan. Snowball, oh my god. Oh my god, Omni Knight going down dito. Batrider nagkakabol. Here comes the cooldown. Cooldown will hit 2. Tignan natin kung magpapatuloy pa sila rito. Hindi nila itutuloy. And another Guardian Grip pop on the side of TNC Pro Team. Pero Omni Knight, siyang magiging big team support dito. Here comes Darkseer. He is now running. There's the 4-stop out. Snowball. Oh no, hindi niya abot. And Batrider escaping a certain death, mga kaibigan. Pero eto na, palapit ang Storm Spirit dito sa item niya kailangan niya rito, which is the Orchid of Malevolence, at magbibigay sa kanya ng sangkatutak na killing potential. At eto, mga kaibigan, susubukan niya kayang bumuo dito. Hindi niya mapwersahin ng issue. Pero ano, money matching na siya rito. Oh, dodgeball ko, boy. Ako, pumasok sa loob. Delikado ba yan? Delikado yan. Bakit ka pumapasok na sa loob? And here comes Storm Spirit. They will get that kill on the Tuskar. Masyado massive. Tignan natin kung mahabol sila rito. Here comes the Batrider. They want another kill. Here comes the Spectre Hunt, mga kaibigan, pero wala yata silang abutan dito. And that is an Spectre Hunt wasted, mga kaibigan, dito sa laban natin na to. Gyrocopter, just a couple of tenths gold. Ayan na, buo na ang kanyang SNY dito.
Dire's top tower is under attack.
Storm, Organ is up on him. Mukhang Raging WePlay, they are in total control of this game. This is game number 2 of the rebroadcast. TNC Pro Team up against Raging WePlay.
Dire's top tower has fallen.
Fear not heresy.
Uy, nag-smoke. Kakaiba to. They break the smoke and here comes Storm Spirit going in. Batrider kinaladkad. Wala na magliligtas sa inyo rito. Here comes the wall. Storm going in. Wala makakapigil sa kanya rito dahil meron siyang repel. At eto na, pagulong-gulong na siya dito. Tuskar with the buyback. Here comes the Snowball, the Rolling Thunder. Buhay pa ba Storm Spirit? He will go down dito. Omni Knight, wala siyang ginagawang matino sa laban natin na to. They went for an overextension and now they will pay the price. Hinahabol sila rito. Omni Knight will be stunned up by the Alchemist. Chin-up chop, mga kaibigan. Calvento Piles, mga kaibigan. Tuskar, Snowball, umabot pero wala silang vision. Wala silang vision and mission. Bibilang, puputok, takore! Pumutok ang takore. Oy, ikaw masyado kang maasim. Ito sa'yo, aabutan ka ng Track Dota. Hindi mo alam naka-Track Dota ka. Ultimation, masyado kang maasim. Jogging, boom, patay. Grabe ka naman, naka-Track Dota ka, tapos nagbibilang ka, tapos tatakbo ka papunta sa mid. Nangyari sa'yo? Nangyari. Hinahabol niya si X-Lucky, mga kaibigan. Sasaksakin niya si X-Lucky. Gusto pa rin. Nagpumapag pa, nakatrack naman. Ako po, pumapag ka pa, nakatrack ka naman. Pre-kill. And that is pre-kill. Left and right for your Storm Spirit. And charges of Bloodstone, mga kaibigan. In this game, I think malapit na to. The end is near. Para dito sa mga taga-TNC dito sa game number 2 natin, wala silang magawa eh. Walang pairing Spectre nila. Kumbaga sa poor lalo eh. Taghirap, mga kaibigan. Crisis the Spectre. Ito, kinaladkad pa, mga kaibigan, si Tuskar. Boom, nahuli. Ipinain sa mga tropa. At ang Spectre na nasa crisis, may point booster at meron siyang Alacrity, Sapsui Gaming mga kaibigan ng item build niya rito. The poorest Spectre of them all. Taghirap si Chicken Song. Isipin mo, nagpili kayo na Spectre tapos wala kayong support na po protekta. Instead, nag-2-1-2 kayo. Si Darkseer kasama si Benchpool. Spectre kasama dapat. Ewan ko ano nangyari sa laning base. Merong baho It's the most mabaho laning base ever. Ito na sa Storm. Pasok na. Ilbab. Guardian Angel. Spectre. Nag-hunt. May swag. Hunt na may swag. At takbuhan na, sir. Hunt swag yun mga kaibigan Hinarangan nila. Nilagyan nila ng gate kaya hindi makapasok yung WePlay dito. Pero WePlay, alam nilang may wall dyan. So, push muna tayo sa ibang lane, guys. Hintayin natin mawala yung wall of replica sa mid lane. Storm Spirit now up with an ultimate or Batrider with a Blink Dagger. Alchemist, SNY Solar Crest going for BKB. I think naghahabol na sila dito. Here comes the uppercut. They want the skill on the Omni Knight. Pero here comes Omni Knight. Here comes Storm Spirit going in the call down. Ang ganda, micromatic na sila rito mga kaibigan. Here comes the vacuum pero they don't have wall. You don't mess with the best mga kaibigan. Nagkakabakbakan. Storm Spirit is low on HP. One more hit. He will go down but he will deny himself. Alchemist on the run. He is being chased down by the Gyrocopter. And the Batrider sa napunta tapong basura. Kripla ka boy. Boom! And that is a triple kill for your Gyrocopter. 3-4-3 trade. Patay na naman ang Spectre na mahirap mga kaibigan.
Radiant's top tower is under attack.
Haste. Batrider. Batrider with the BKB force. Hindi ko alam kung ginagawa dito ng WePlay pero pwede na nilang tapusin ang laban natin na to. Glimmer Cape up on your Omni Knight. Pwede na sila pumasok actually. Pero hindi. Wall is up again. Para sa side ng TNC rito. And Storm Spirit going for a Link and Spear. Pipe completed on your Darkseer. So may chance sila rito mga kaibigan. With those utility items. Pick up coming in from the Darkseer. The Greaves. And the Pipe. I think ang kulang na lang niya rito yung ano natin Crimson Guard. Pero ito, Roshan daw sila. Roshan attempt. Roshi. At nagro-Roshan sila rito. Tignan natin kung makapagpas mga kaibigan. Smoke of Deceit. Pero hindi nila alam na nag-Roshan lang. Roshan muna and if makuha ng Storm Spirit itong Roshan na to or the Aegis delikado na dito itong TNC Pro. Oh no, huli ka Balbuon. At ito, nahuli si X-Lucky and he will go down. Batrider continuing with the chase pero he will pop the BKB pero wala siyang abutan dito. And this is now the perfect time for Raging WePlay to push.
Dire's bottom tower is under attack.
Tuskar continuing to farm dito sa top lane. Spectre nagtsatsaga sa may gubatan nila rito. Spectre now with a diffusal blade recipe pero 300 gold short of that robe of Magi. Pumasok na sila rito mga kaibigan. Starting to breach this tier 3 tower into the mid lane. I mean in the bottom lane pala. Here comes the Cosmic Shot off. Tignan natin, hindi pa nire-repel. Here comes the fortification. Here comes the wall. Pero no vacuum to follow. Ang lupot ng buhay dito mga kaibigan. Storm. Susubukan niyang i-bait out dito. He is low on HP. Here comes the hunt mga kaibigan. Tignan natin kung anong plano dito. But the call down stopping them from their track mga kaibigan. Oh no, Storm Spirit going in at ito na ang pag-Guardian Angel. The ultimate clash of the